Student, now we'll see Maths 2 Pythagoras theorem, that is lesson number 2, and this is third video. Student, here this way the numbers which are given, they are the numbers of the videos. So this is the third video of lesson number 2 Pythagoras theorem. In this lesson we finished Pythagoras triplet. Then second point we finished about 30, 60, 90 and 45, 45, 90 theorems statement I explain you. And after that we completed similarity of right angle triangle. So here you can see the diagram. Here triangle ABC is the original triangle. BD perpendicular to AC. And due to that perpendicular, the right angle triangle is divided into two right angle triangle. That means here total 3 right angle triangle, and these 3 right angle triangles are similar to each other. How they are similar? Already the proof is finished in the previous video, that is similarity and right angle triangle. So in that video you learn that triangle ADB similar to triangle ABC. Also triangle BDC similar to triangle ABC, and triangle ADB also similar to BDC. This we finished. Now this what you learn in similarity and right angle triangle, that is useful in today's point. And at today's point which we are going to see, that is theorem of geometric mean. So in this theorem, first you see what is the statement. In a right angle triangle, the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex is the geometric mean of the segments into which the hypotenuse is divided. You will understand this statement if I draw the diagram. So first I will draw here one diagram. So this ABC is a right angle triangle, and it is said in the statement the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex. So hypotenuse is AC, opposite vertex is B, and the perpendicular which we draw from the opposite vertex to the hypotenuse, this perpendicular is the geometric mean. So this perpendicular, that is, suppose we will say it is BD. So BD is perpendicular, and this BD is called as geometric mean of the segments in which it's divided the hypotenuse. That means which are the segments? AD and DC. These are the segments divided due to this BD, and so BD is the BD is the geometric mean of AD and DC. And so in the sentences it is said, is the geometric mean of the segments into which the hypotenuse is divided. And for this statement the diagram is this. From this we will write also given. I am writing it here. So simple thing, the starting of the sentence is in a right angle triangle. That means right angle triangle is given. So what is given then? In triangle ABC, angle ABC is of 90 degree. And also what is given? BD or segment BD, you can say perpendicular to hypotenuse, that is AC. I am writing short form. So BD perpendicular to hypotenuse AC. This is given, and due to this perpendicular of the hypotenuse, the position of the points is this A dash D dash C. These three are the collinear point. D is present in between A and C. And from this we have to prove that BD is the geometric mean of AD and DC. So here see, I am writing what we have to prove. That means the question, you can say in short, this we have to prove. We have to prove BD square is equal to AD multiplied by DC. This we have to prove. And for this, to prove this, we will write here proof. It is a simple proof, but the geometric mean, this theorem and the statement is very important for the next part of this lesson, and also to solve the different examples from the exercise. So see how you get the proof. See the diagram. In the diagram, in triangle ABC, angle ABC is of 90 degree, and this is given. Reason for this sentence is given. Also one more thing is given, that is segment BD perpendicular to segment AC, or you can say hypotenuse AC. And so due to this perpendicular, the triangle is divided into three triangles, and so we can take one pair of triangle, that is triangle ADB similar to triangle BDC. Triangle ADB similar to BDC. Directly we are using it because already in previous video we gave the proof for this, how these triangles are similar. And reason for this you can write similarity of right angle triangles. Reason is similarity of right angle triangle. This is the reason. No need to give proof. We have to just write the reason. And from this, if the triangles are similar, in the first lesson we completed, if the triangles are similar, the corresponding sides are in equal proportion. According to that, we will write here AD upon BD equal to BD upon DC. Reason, corresponding sides of the similar triangle. So this is the reason AD upon BD is equal to BD upon DC. The reason is corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. And now here we'll take the cross multiplication. AD multiply by DC is equal to BD multiply by BD. BD multiply by BD, that means it is BD square. So you get AD multiply by DC is equal to BD square. And this only we have to prove. This shows that BD is the geometric mean of AD and DC. This is the proof for this theorem. This is a simple proof, but the theorem, geometric mean, this theorem is very important in geometry. Also this Pythagoras theorem lesson and the examples or exercise which you are going to solve. So student, study this theorem, write this complete theorem in your classwork notebook. Also the previous theorem, that is similarity of right angle triangle. These two theorems you write in the classwork notebook and study it carefully. Thank you.